Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick test on this dash cam that I just installed in this car. I'll leave a link up in the top right here to that video. But a question was asked, what difference does the polarizing lens filter make? So we're going to do some tests with that today. I'm going to test it with it on, with the filter on, driving into sunlight and away from sunlight, and then we'll try it at night as well with headlights and what have you, and we'll see what difference it makes, if any, and if it's worth the investment. So here goes the testing. So generally speaking, I think the filters help a lot minimizing glares. I think sharpens the image just a little bit. So I'm glad I have them. But as you can see, there's not a massive difference between the two. So anyway, links are down in the description for things you've seen in this video, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.